Hey guys, welcome to The Feathered Heart. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this dragon scaled shoulder armor. So to begin the shoulder armor, you want to make the base of your armor out of paper first for your template. And you're just going to create the size, the shape that you would like to have your armor be. And I've got my two sizes here, and then I will trace them onto my foam sheet. In this case, I'm using the 3mm foam sheet. 3mm is the lowest that I would go, so that's what I'm using in this video. So basically, you're gonna make your template, you'll cut it out onto your foam sheet, and then you will decorate it to look like this. Now again, you can decorate it however you'd like. I, again, am doing the dragon scale technique that I taught in the first video, which I will link above for you and in the description box below so that you can see the technique. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and jump forward to how I take the two pieces of foam and start connecting them and creating the lever technique to keep them lifted like this. Once I've shaped both pieces for the shoulder armor, I'm going to show you how I attach them to create this. So that once it's sitting on the shoulder here, both pieces flare up. So the first thing you want to do is just get it placed how you want it. Like where you're gonna want and where they connect down here. So then what I did is I just put a little line of glue right there just to kind of hold it in place, if you will. This isn't really like the permanent solution. This is more like just getting it there until you do the next step. I'll even put a little bit of glue on the underside here because it won't really be seen, just to kind of give it a little added support. You want to let it dry. Okay, so basically it's attached, but it's still it's not very stable. So what you want to do is you're going to want to take a string or a ribbon, like a flat ribbon. You just need a short little piece. And you're going to put some hot glue on one tip and put it about an inch up from the very bottom of the small piece. And let it dry all the way because you're going to do some pulling on it, so you want to make sure it's nice and secure. And then what you're going to want to do is basically put like a line of glue or a dot of glue. It doesn't really matter. A line just makes it a little bit more secure, basically from where the small piece ends to where the large piece ends. And then you're just going to want to pull this and just hold it up. And then once that glue dries, so basically the string is acting as a lever to hold it in place. And there you have it. Even if I do it upside down, see, it's not falling. So you can see here, okay, glue here, and then you pull it tight till it levers up how far you want it. And then you glue it down. And now you have a piece that's not going to move. So once it's sitting, like let's show you on my arm here. Once it's sitting on the arm, or the shoulder, I mean, that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna flare up. So the bottom piece is gonna sit on the shoulder and kind of go off the side of the shoulder. And then the other piece sticks up. I'm actually going to compare these because I think that maybe I didn't flare this one enough. So here's one and here's the other. And I'm actually pretty happy with how even those are. And so that's how you get your armor to stick up, is using ribbon. After piecing together the shoulder pieces, I decided to add some more fabric detail and add some rivets to the edge of the armor. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. I post new videos on Tuesdays, so be sure to ring the bell so you'll be notified as soon as I upload. See you in the next video.